Hello friends, now our topic is energy levels. So here, starting from energy, we have energy value is equal to minus 13.6 upon n square electron volt. So if we put n is equal to 1, that is our ground state. So n is equal to 1 here, and that energy value is minus 13.6, right? Okay, if you put 2 here, 13.6 by 4, so here we have that energy which is minus 3.4. Okay, so minus 3.4 means n is equal to 2. Whenever we put n is equal to 2, then we get this value. Then n is equal to 3. 3 is a 9. 13.6 by 9, it will be here n is equal to 3, and that is 1.51 minus. Then if we put n is equal to 4, then we have minus 0.85, and then so on. At last, for n is equal to infinite, we have 0. So basically, what is the meaning of n is equal to infinite? N is equal to infinite means that orbit which is free from all the binding energy of the nucleus, means electron is free now. Okay, so that's why n is equal to infinite. It have energy 0, because free electrons means 0 binding, that means 0 energy. Okay, so the most energy storage that is n is equal to 1. So to move out electron from this particular orbit, we have to give more energy to that electron, right? Okay, is for example, if we want to transist electron from 1 to 2, what we have to do? E2 minus E1 is equal to, simple, E2, that is our final form, final energy level, that is our minus 3.4, minus E1, that is our minus 13.6, right? So minus minus become plus, answer will be 10.2 electron volt. So that means we have to give electron to transition from 1 to 2. So electron absorb this amount of energy, and then it will transition to higher energy level. Similar, if I am doing this example, now 3 to 2, okay, 3 to 2. So our final energy is 2, and initially is 3. So electron now getting lower energy level. So that's why E2. What is the value of E2? E2 is minus 3.4 minus E3. What is our E3? Minus 1.51. Okay. So minus minus plus, minus 3.4 and 1.5. Our answer will be approximately 2.1.9 here. 1.9, but answer will be minus. Why minus? Because electron emits this type of energy, electrons release this energy, right? That's why minus. Release this energy to come from 3 to 2. So to move out from 3 to 2, right, to the lower energy, right? So that's the method to find absorb energy and release energy from the electron whenever electron gets transition from one energy level to another energy level. So that's our topic, guys, energy levels. But if we want to free electron, we are just forgot that particular important point, that if we want to free electron from this energy level, right? So I want to free electron, whichever electron is there, I have to give this much type of energy outside, from outside. So if I am giving 13.6 electron volt from outside to that particular electron will be free from all the energy levels. If our electron is now at this place, at this n is equal to 2, I have to give 3.4 electron volt to that electron, and after absorbing this much energy, it will be free from all the energy levels. If I am giving the energy to 0.85 to this energy level, to that electron will be free from that energy levels, right? So that's how we can get free electrons from this energy level. So that's it for today now. Thank you very much.